Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you hair straightening at home. Get rid of frizzy hair and get rid of any kinda split ends. Get rid of all these hair problems and get a straight, shiny, silky hair at home with very simple ingredients. It's super effective remedy and super helpful. The first ingredient we need to prepare this remedy: in a clean mixing bowl, add around 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or corn flour, then add on it 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel, then we need 1 lemon and cut the lemon in half like so, and squeeze 1 fresh lemon. Now mix well all the ingredients. After mixing well all the ingredients, place it into a microwave oven and place it for around 30 seconds, and then stop and get the remedy. Apply it on your hair and comb your hair with a hair comb or hair brush, and leave the hair to dry out, and then rinse it with warm water and shampoo like normal, and you will get silky, shiny, glossy hair